Hello guys, Seven this side and I'm back with another new video. Today I will going to show you how to install OpenSSH on Ubuntu. First open the terminal and update the system. Type sudo apt-get space update. Enter your credential. Now that's the update is completed. Let's install the OpenSSH. Type sudo apt-get installed OpenSSH-server. Type Y and press enter again to confirm. This command will install the OpenSSH server on your system. We are going to start the OpenSSH services. Type sudo systemctl start SSH. Let's check the services. Now type sudo systemctl space status space SSH and hit enter. Now we can see OpenSSH server is active and running state. To ensure OpenSSH server start automatically whenever your server is reboot, type the following command: sudo systemctl enable space SSH. That's it. Now we have installed the OpenSSH on our Ubuntu device. For the test this, I have to find the IP address of the Ubuntu device. So type IP space A. Now I am going to open up the PuTTY. I will type in the IP address of this Ubuntu device, which is 172.27.217.238. Now click on open, click on accept, and I will log into my Ubuntu desktop using my credential. Alright, it works. That's mean OpenSSH is installed and working. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for